All right, India's travel scene is soaring to new heights. With a booming economy and growing thirst for adventure, Indians are jet-setting to both exotic destinations and hidden gems. From luxurious escapes to leisure breaks, foreign destinations are ready for takeoff. Get ready for a first class and look at how India's travel trend is taking flight. This next report brings you more.
India, the world's fastest growing major economy, is also becoming a hotbed for travel trends. With Indians now having the financial muscle to travel like never before, foreign destinations are scrambling to cash in on this burgeoning market. As the economy expands, so do the travel aspirations of its people, who are now flocking to both luxury getaways and hidden gems, seeking experiences that are as rich as their bank accounts. Gone are the days of just ticking off typical tourist spots. Indians are now exploring beyond the usual destinations, chasing authenticity in offbeat locations. From pristine beaches to serene mountains, travelers are finding new horizons and the charm of undiscovered places. Meanwhile, global travel brands are rolling out the red carpet for Indian tourists, offering tailor-made packages and experiences that cater to this high-spending demographic. The rise of business and leisure travel is one trend that perfectly mirrors India's growing influence. Young professionals balancing work with wanderlust are extending business trips into luxury vacations, an opportunity many foreign destinations are keen to capitalize on. Back home, staycations are a hit as people embrace short, luxurious breaks without leaving the country. With an eye on both local and global options, the trend for villas, homestays and resort stays is booming, offering privacy, comfort and the perfect escape from the hustle. In a nutshell, India's soaring economy is fueling an equally robust travel boom. As the world watches with bated breath, India is proving that its travel appetite is not just growing, it's going global. Business Bureau WION, World is One.